It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. Then she asks me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party that everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. She's walking around with me, and then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just won't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got a aching head. So I gave her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. My darling, you are wonderful tonight.